guys, how we are doing? I want to say a very big thank you to all of you guys. I want to say a very big thank you to my subscribers, to my viewers around the world, my YT friends and family. I love you all loads. You all are amazing, wonderful people. Thank you so much, guys. Today I'm gonna share with you my celery juice. This is my celery. It's been washed. Yeah. So I want to tell you a little bit of the health benefit of salad. Celery juice can help you reach your vitamins and mineral goals. Celery juice provide beneficial antioxidants. Celery juice can help vegetables may help combat inflammation. Celery may help contribute to weight loss. When you drink celery juice every day, it can aid you to your weight loss, your belly fats. If you want to make celery juice for weight loss, make sure you drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before eating, and the second in the late afternoon or early evening, at least 15 to 30 minutes before eating your next meal. Drinking celery juice is known to remove toxic waste and contaminants from your body. Study has shown that regular consumption of celery juice can help protect kidney health and prevent kidney diseases as well. So I'm gonna chop it off and put it in the blender, and keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. I love you, Lord. That is the juice from this. I'm gonna put it in this container here. That is my celery juice, guys. So I'm gonna tip some here in the bottle. We got this foamy thing, so I've taken it some out, but it's still, you know, it's my celery juice.